Having good riding gear is a huge part of ensuring that you enjoy your riding experience, but most importantly, it's a huge part of ensuring that you stay safe when you're out on the trail. And today I've got a few different products to show you that are not only great for ensuring your safety, but products that go above and beyond. From bringing multiple seasons or riding disciplines to adding increased safety, as well as one product that I can't seem to wreck given my best efforts. Right up front, I've got the LEATT Moto helmet. This one right here is the 7.5 V22 and it features their 360 turbine technology. While we all strive not to crash, it's inevitable that at one point or another, you are going to crash. The 360 turbine technology in LEATT helmets uses molded energy-absorbing disc-shaped implants to dissipate rotational, direct, and deflective impact energy. But essentially what this means is that in all different types of impacts that you may take with your head from all different directions, these cool little discs will help to significantly reduce head and brain injuries, and I, for one, am all for keeping my brain safe. LEATT helmets with 360 turbine tech come in all different color designs, sizes, and spec levels to fit your budget. The best part about them is that safety doesn't have to lose its cool. These don't just work good, they look great too. While I'm talking about helmets, there's a very cool new offering from KIMPEX that's not just moto, not just motorcycle adventure touring, not just side-by-side friendly, it's all of the above wrapped into one single design to keep you safe multiple seasons in multiple off-road disciplines. Now the Atlas is a helmet that can transform to the situations that you need it for, and it offers you greater customization for those different seasons throughout the year. Say you're riding on the road and you prefer not to have a peak. Go ahead, it comes off. Want to switch to off-road? Toss the peak back on. And feel free to extend the peak should the rain or mud get heavy. Prefer to use goggles? No problem. With the push of a button, the shield comes off and you're ready for the KIMPEX 210-degree goggle system, or goggles of your choice. And if you're out riding in the side-by-side and you're looking for a bit more airflow, open the front muzzle or just take it off altogether to get more air inside the helmet when it's hot outside. Available in 8 color configurations, you're sure to match your style, gear, or ride with ease. Now earlier I mentioned a product that I've tried to wreck, and what I mean by that is that while I continue to get given new pairs of Falco boots, I continue to wear my old ones because they're so comfortable, so well worn in, and yet at the same time, not worn out at all. I'm referring to Falco boots. They offer a wide range of motorcycle boots, but the particular ones that I'm talking about are the Patrols, an urban-style motorcycle riding boot that I use whenever I'm driving a side-by-side or riding a motorcycle. This particular set is about 6 years old, and I've got new ones here in boxes, but I literally can't kill these. They have a dual compound vulcanized rubber sole that's comfortable and strong. The tread and rubber footbed is grippy, and yet not soft enough that it's falling apart in the slightest. And the oil-rubbed leather upper portion of the boot is not only waterproof, it's taken a beating of mud, dust, rain, and the occasional gas drip or oil when filling up. Now Falco boots aren't just classic Italian leather style, they're also full of cool technology, and one in particular that I like is called D30. D30 is an impact protection molecule that's applied into the ankle area of Falco boots. It freely moves under slow pressure, but it locks together in a shock load type of situation to help reduce impact energy. Keeps your ankles safer if you take a hit. They also feature a high-tech membrane that keeps your feet dry when you encounter water. And finally, the Patrol boots are just plain good looking. You can wear them out for a ride or out on the town, no matter which color you choose.